Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Raisha. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy crock-pot recipe for chicken and dumplings. The recipe only called for 2 chicken breasts, but these were pretty small, so I went ahead and put all that I had left in the bag in there, and it ended up being perfect. So all you're going to do for the first step is just place your chicken breast into the crock pot and cover it with 4 cups of chicken broth. That's either 2 cans or 1 box. The next step, you're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then place your lid on, and I actually put it on low for 8 hours. It was done way before this. I just had some time to spare, so I just figured I'd let it cook slower. Once you see that your chicken is done cooking, just go ahead and remove it from the crock pot and then shred it. Once you're done shredding, add the chicken back into the crock pot along with 1 can of cream of chicken and 1 can of cream of mushroom or cream of celery. Mix this all together and let it cook while you get your biscuits ready. I just used 1 can of flaky biscuits and cut them up how big or small you want. Once you get your biscuits cut up, just start adding them to the crock pot individually so they don't get all stuck together. once you have all your dumplings in, give it a stir and let it cook. The recipe said 30 to 45 minutes. I think I let mine cook over an hour and it was fine. It was perfect. And then I just fixed some stuffing mix to go with it. It's just Kroger brand stovetop, and followed the box directions. And I always forget to take a picture of my food once it's done, but I promise you this was good and it was so easy. And I don't know why I thought shaking the pan would be easier than just grabbing a spoon, but I'm stupid, so that's what that is. I just wanted to say thank you to each and every person who comes across this video and makes it to the end. I really appreciate it.